Hey everyone, I'm Kevin Oles. This is my first module for EDL 850 School of Law. So a little bit about myself. Personally, I'm a special education teacher. I teach in Chicago public schools. I started off as a history teacher for 4 years. I do have experience as a uh, special education case manager, so I do have some experience in terms of being compliant with the law and that kind of stuff. So that might come into play, hopefully, positively in this class. This is my 6th year teaching. This is my second semester here at Fort Hays State. I have 2 semesters left for my degree in school administration. In terms of my administration, what they do well in regards to school law, my administration is very knowledgeable. The principal knows a ton of stuff. She's always there to answer questions and to relay information to us. I know that she, just because I'm a special education teacher, I know that she works really closely with the case manager in terms of making sure that we're compliant in everything we need to be compliant in. And our principal is a whiz at finance and budgeting. She holds a state of the school kind of address before students arrive in the summer, goes over budget stuff bullet by bullet. So she's a whiz when it comes to that kind of stuff. If she did have one downfall, it probably would be special education law. But like I said, she works really closely with our case managers to make sure we're compliant. So our administration is doing a great job in terms of law. Me personally, I have a lot to learn. Like I said, I'm a former case manager. I have a good knowledge of SPED law from my time doing that. I have experience in least restrictive environment in terms of class placement and what some of the laws are regarding that. Obviously, I have experience in IEP writing and IEP implementation, which, as we know, is a legal binding document. It has to do a lot with law. I don't feel like I'm super strong with student rights in the classroom. I hope to learn more about that. So my plan for learning more, I'm here. I'm going to participate. I'm going to hopefully learn a ton. I'm going to bring everything that I do learn to the workplace. I look forward to looking at everybody else's work, completing my own assignments, learning from the assignments, and more importantly, I think that a lot of the value in a class like this comes from learning from my colleagues. So I hope to learn a lot from you guys and take what I can back to work with me. I really look forward to working with everybody this semester. Thanks for watching.